Today we're setting up a smart doorbell from aosu. It looks really sleek, has a 5 megapixel camera, has high quality video, two-way audio, and will notify your phone when someone presses the doorbell or crosses in front of it. But the best part about it has 8 gigabytes of internal storage and no subscription fee. And this doorbell from aosu comes shipped to your door, ready to protect your front door as well. Inside the box, you have a mounting template and security sticker, instructions, a USB to C charging cable, hardware and the pinhole tool, a screwdriver, a mounting wedge, a receiver, and then your doorbell. There's a charge port on the bottom, so I gave it a full charge and then went to set it up. They've made it really easy too. Use your pen tool to pop open the back of the doorbell, open the app, and then pair the device by scanning the QR code on the back of the doorbell. Plug in your receiver, and then push and hold the sync button. And then push and hold the sync button on the doorbell. Then it pairs.
Hello.
Screw down the mount, and then snap the doorbell into place. And like that, it's all set up and ready to go. Now when I push the doorbell button, the receiver chimes inside. Additionally, I get a pop-up on my phone, allowing me to answer a video call if I'm not there. Inside the app, you can record events, talk and hear what's going on, and even disguise your voice. Then you can go into the settings and turn on anti-theft detection, motion detection, facial detection, and so much more. You can also review events that's happened in front of the camera. And the AI will also describe the events for you in notifications. I think the video quality looks pretty good too. I just love that wide-angle lens. It covers a good amount of area. And the night vision works really well too. But if that's not enough, the battery can last up to 180 days on a single charge. Just make sure you hang on to your tool so you can pop it off and charge it when you need to. But overall, it's a pretty nice little doorbell. So if you're looking to add some security to your house, this smart doorbell from aosu might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go get back to work and wait for my next delivery. See ya.